Hi, I'm Debbie, a super soaker from bubblesandbooks.com. I just wanted to share my experience working with Hamid and the team at Shopify Pro. I had them redo my subscription box website last year and it came out really great. Very happy with it. They listened to what I needed for the website and then basically just delivered everything I asked for. And then even after the initial website project was complete, the team has been very responsive whenever I contact them for updates to the website or when I have questions. So I highly recommend Shopify Pro for your website development projects.
Hello, this is Scott Letourneau with NCP and Sales Tax System. I'm based here in the US and we specialize in helping e-commerce sellers launch their business US with entity formations, banking, tax compliance. And we've been doing that since 1997. And over the years, I've worked with many different web developers and designers and mostly been frustrated with parts and pieces that could be done. I get somebody that's good at branding but not good at coding, or vice versa. And I finally found a company and a resource that's been awesome in all the areas you need for web development. That's Hamid and the HTML Pro team. I've been working with them the last year. They've been amazing with redesigning my websites, fixing some of the pages, everything from sitemaps to branding, to updating all my PDFs to images. It's been amazing to work with them. So it's really great to have a one-stop shop team that's responsive. They plan things out. They know what they're doing in all different areas. I don't have to go to 10 different independent contractors to get things done. It's been really efficient. So if you're looking to get your website either a makeover to get updated, mobile ready, responsive, all those things that are important in today's online world, or the latest in a funnel or a campaign, anything that needs to be done to make more revenue for your business, I would 100% recommend you check out the HTML Pro team and get in touch with them and see what they can do for you and what will happen with your business as you move forward. Thank you and have an outstanding day.
Hi guys, Brett from Friedman Shoes, largefeet.com. Hamid and the good guys at HTML Pro have taken everything from our Shopify internet marketing all the way to converting it to our in-store POS system. They're prompt, they're always on time for calls, and I value our relationship. I highly recommend them. If you need an excellent team to start your internet business or your in-store POS system, give them a call.
Hi there, I'm Farah Asif. I'm a beauty and fashion vlogger on YouTube, and Hamid and his team from HTMLPro.net have worked on my professional website. They have been amazing to work with. Every step of the way there was a follow-up, and even now after the website is done and there are ways for me to incite help from them. So I think they offer tremendous service and are really, really great to work with. You will not regret it, and the quality of their work speaks for itself. So I really recommend you ask for a quotation, give them a try. And thanks Hamid and his team.
Hey, this is Steve from the Johnny Box. I've been working with the guys from HTML Pro for over 6 months now. The experience has been nothing but amazing. These guys did some great work creating landing pages on my website, installing Facebook pixels, optimizing my Facebook ad center, and has done incredible work with SEO, both on-site and off-site. My page rankings have seen serious growth since they started working with me. I highly recommend these guys. They are fair and most importantly, great to work with, and they know what they're doing.
Hello, my name is Bodan Cole, owner of Twin Cities Media Group. I've been working with Hamid and his team at HTML Pro for about 3 years. They are a great resource for cost-effective, timely, and professional development solutions, also design solutions. They're a great extension of our team. We go to them when we need extra labor on short notice, and they deliver quality results in short time. And we've had this partnership for about 3 years. We continue to maintain it, and I recommend you explore them for your next project and consider partnering with them as well. Thanks so much.
Hey guys, this is Zach with Orify. Just want to talk a little bit about HTML Pro, guys. Can't say enough good things about the team. Professional, knowledgeable, always available, know what they're doing. If anybody's considering any kind of software development or website development, I highly recommend it, guys.